Hey everyone, this is Brennan from Colton RV, and we are at the Seneca Allegheny Casino for the 10th annual Colton RV show. The travel trailer behind me is the 2022 Keystone Springdale 1800BH. The BH stands for bunkhouse, so this travel trailer not only has a full bed for you and your loved one, it also has room for the kiddos. And this RV is part of our show special. You can get this travel trailer for just $189 down and $189 a month. It doesn't get much better when you're looking for a high quality travel trailer. Let's go check this one out. So the first thing you'll see on the exterior is some really nice pass-through storage. You got everything you need there to fit all your gear, your fishing poles, anything else you want to put in there, there's plenty of room. And of course there's a really wide 10-foot awning, which is awesome, provides shade during the day when you want to relax outside. And of course there's beautiful LED lights all the way so your trailer is beautifully lit and you can see everything when you're entertaining outside in the nighttime. So let's head inside and check it out. So the first thing you're going to see on the interior of the Springdale is really well lit. It's nice and bright, really lively. To the right, you're going to find a full queen bed. And underneath, they take great advantage of the space and added some storage below. So you can fit all the things you don't want to see necessarily under the bed. So as we head toward the back of the travel trailer, we have our dinette. This dinette will seat four comfortably, and the best thing about this dinette, it's going to fold down into a bed so you can sleep even more. And right above the dinette, there's two really spacious cabinets. Straight across the way in the kitchen, there's two more. So you got plenty of room to store dishes, cups, groceries, food, whatever else you want to put up there. And the kitchen is a complete kitchen, just like you would have at home. There's a microwave above the 2-burner stovetop and a really nice sink. That's nicer than the one I have at home. Really nice countertops too. They're really solid, beautiful too. They match the nice white interior, and a fridge. You can fit all your drinks, keep all your food cold as necessary. So at the back of the trailer, we get to the BH portion of the 1800BH in the Springdale, the bunkhouse. The bunkhouse is the perfect place for the kids to crash at the end of a long day camping. And last but not least, we have a full bathroom, complete with a shower, foot flush toilet, sink, and a medicine cabinet with a mirror. Alright guys, that's it for the 2022 Keystone Springdale 1800BH. This travel trailer is an awesome option for anyone who's just looking to get out camping. So we'll be at the Seneca Allegheny Casino for the show through Sunday, March 27th. Come out and see us, but if you can't make it, stop by our Orchard Park or North Tonawanda, New York locations and our new location in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania.